almost died just now. He almost died.
That was the dumbest thing I've ever.
Holy sh**.
Maybe the first, but it won't be the last. Take a chance on a new style heartache. How do you love him? You don't know where he's from. Is he a man or a wild boy zombie? Well, this must be the shape of things to come. What I mean is everything's alright. Artificial, so everything's alright. Artificial insemination could be the start of another world. We could live in anticipation with no hope of ever being heard. Just a word that could lead to thinking, or rub you out just a stroke of pen. Then up there will get some fear sinking, or try to change the shape of things to come. What I mean is everything's all